Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your harvested tomatoes to complete the quest in Heartopia. Okay, let's get into it guys. You need to harvest the tomatoes first. I've already harvested all the tomatoes I have, and after that you will meet this NPC. I don't know what it is called, but you need to meet this one, Albert, and you can talk to her and click on sell items, and then you can select the tomatoes like this, and you're going to click on sell. Okay, done. I've already sold my tomato. Okay, you can also sell another one. Okay, I'm going to sell one box of tomatoes. Okay, done. Okay guys, and that's how you can sell your harvested tomatoes in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.